Hello everyone, you are on the Magic Metal channel, and in today's review we will tell you about a small wood burning stove of our own production, which is very popular with our customers. Let's get here. This stove's weight is only 17 pounds, its width is 9 inches, and height is 9 inches too. It is capable of heating a room up to 100 square feet. This stove is ideal for space heating, caravans, tents, vans, sheds, mini houses, boats, yachts, and more. The stove is safe when used correctly. It doesn't pass smoke, sparks don't fly out of it. The stove can be used indoors and outdoors. It can be used for heating or cooking. For ease of transportation, the legs on the stove are foldable. Holes are drilled at the bottom of the legs, so that you can fix it on the surface, and you won't have to worry about the stove falling. Let's tell you what the stove is made of. It is made of alloy steel, painted with fireproof, safe and non-toxic paint that can withstand temperatures up to 1200 degrees Celsius. The glass on the stove door is made of refractory glass from Robox. The handles are also made of eco-friendly, non-toxic and flame-resistant plastic. The most popular question from our customers: do we have chimneys? Yes, we manufacture stainless steel chimneys of any diameter, as well as rain cap elbows, rain cap with wind deflector. When ordering a stove, you will have the opportunity to choose a stove with or without a chimney kit. Dimensions, description, photos of chimneys you will find on our website, linked in the description. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We will review our products there.